right, guys, we've been talking about matter and we have been talking about the three states of matter. So you should have watched a video yesterday on Tuesday which was talking about the three states of matter. And today you're going to begin a project that's going to demonstrate the atoms or molecules that make up each of the three states of matter. So we're going to do a little reviewing here. So the three states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. A solid has a definite or fixed shape. That means that the shape of a solid is not changing. It has a definite or fixed volume, and the molecules or atoms that make it up are packed tightly together. So again, if you look at this picture right here, the solids, you can see the molecules are packed really tightly together, and this shape is a cube. It's not going to change shape. If they pour this cup over, that cube is just going to fall out, and it's not going to change shape from that. A liquid is the next state of matter, and liquids take the shape of their container, so it's not fixed, but it does have definite or fixed volume. And the molecules or the atoms can move around freely. So you can see in this liquid, which we all know liquids, just think about a glass of water. Okay, you can see that the molecules have room to float around, they move around freely. And we all know if we were to pour that cup out, the water would pour out, which means it does not have a fixed shape. And the last state of matter is a gas. It does not have a fixed shape or volume, and the molecules are spaced far apart. So again, if we look at the picture here, we can see that these molecules are very spaced apart. They have lots of room to move around, and they're not taking the shape of the container. They're not in any kind of shape, really. They would spill out if we were to take the lid off of that gas. So this is an example of the project that you're going to be working on for the next 3 days. You're going to find objects in your house to use. It could be cotton balls, marshmallows, Cheerios, any kind of cereal, noodles, little pieces of torn up paper. It could be anything that you can find around your house. Today, your assignment is to create a solid. So you're going to use something. You can see here they used plates as their container. You will need something to use as your container, and you're going to use your objects from your house to create a representation of the molecules or atoms that make up this solid. So remember, a solid has a definite shape, has definite volume, and it has the molecules packed very tightly together. So your assignment for today is to gather your materials and create your model of a solid. On Thursday, you will create your model of a liquid using the same materials. And then Friday, you will use your materials to create a representation of a gas. But today, you're only working on the solid. So once you get it done, take a picture or a video and submit it to Seesaw. I can't wait to see what you create.